Powersmith Solar. I'm here with John, the beautiful home out here in Laguna Niguel, California. And John, we just want to thank you for choosing us at Powersmith to go solar, and we've known each other a little while.
Let me just say that, Steve, you've been a great partner on this thing with us. We're really thrilled with your support, your responsiveness. What I liked in particular was the fact that if I asked you a question, typically you had the answer right there, but when you didn't, you said, let me go check that out, I'll come back.
Tax credit you're going to get. We're doing a purchase.
We're considering it. I mean, 1.99 is a good rate for a little loan, but we'll see.
Okay, good. And you're a referral customer. We're so excited to be working with you. We love it when our customers, are happy and refer family. Encourage you to go solar with us.
We've done solar before. It was really just based on the experience you had with you